The more you dough,
the more you nut.
That's gross, Grace. Man, we listened to so many today.
I know.
We were bopping around. Now we're under pressure.
Yeah. Under pressure.
You're very happy when you do that. All right.
Okay, that's it.
I was just waiting for you to be finished. I could do my... Hey, all you pieces of
Yeah, hey, all you pieces of
That's our new thing. Piece
Yeah.
of Walk me through today. What are we doing? What's going on?
We're going to make donuts because you love your donut. You like your sour cream glazed donut.
I get Timmy's donut almost every day.
Yes, so I was thinking, can we donut this?
I don't know, can we?
I don't know.
That is the question.
Well, that's what we're going to find out.
Hey, all you Timbit or donut hole sayers out there. Welcome to
The best cooking show in the world.
2 chefs.
1 knife.
And a box of pancake mix. Are we doing pancakes or donuts?
No, we're going to do donuts.
So I guess for my cake style one, we took the Aunt Jemima mix. We, instead of water, we actually used sour cream because that's my favorite, sour cream glazed donut. And then a little bit of nutmeg, and that's pretty much it.
That's it.
Like, yeah, but just, and then it came out, you know, obviously we're adding less sour cream than there is water, so it actually holds its shape and you cut it into like little donuts.
Yes, so it's dough-like.
Like, look at that. That's so cool. Look at that.
Ta-da.
All right, anyway, so yeah, we got some donuts, and then we also did Timbits. We call them Timbits. We're in Canada.
We're in Canada.
Call them donut holes.
Well, donut holes technically would be air, right? Because the hole of a donut is empty, so...
That's true.
Right?
Wow, look at you, the chef-ossifer.
Yeah. So to check if your oil's hot enough and that if you don't have a thermometer, stick a wooden chopstick, and if it boils, it's hot enough. Boils, if it bubbles, it's hot enough.
Here we go. We got hot oil. We're gonna do a little one first to test. Look at that. Look at that. Look, they puff like an actual Timbit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
So
Maybe switch because you'll offend somebody. There you go.
Wow.
People are very judgmental. If you do not know how to use chopsticks, the comment section goes wild.
Oh,
Can we talk about how that guy's holding the chopsticks? You know, some people haven't grown up with chopsticks.
No.
So you can't just assume that everyone's good
All right,
with
these good?
chopsticks.
Look at that. We're gonna take them out. They're like nice little Timbits. Okay, now we're gonna do the big donuts. We're gonna grab the big one. That's what she said. There we go. We're gonna lay it in. Woo! It looks like pineapple. Can we donut it?
Yes,
we can. Looks like these are gonna be ready to flip. The bottom side's starting to get a little color on it.
This is why we had the chopsticks originally. We weren't trying to mock any culture.
Look at that.
Nice.
Pancake donuts. So you got the frying going in the middle, so it's all around, which is perfect. It's what you want. The nice bubble action, cooking the outside and the inside. So we're gonna flip this one back one more time. That color. Ooh, look at the golden color. Look at that, guys. Wow. Good stuff. Pancake donuts, guys. This is a thing. We're not making this up. We don't know. We know what we're doing.
Do we?
Sometimes. All right, this one's done. It's all golden. I'm gonna move it here with the bits. The bits. Look at that. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
And we got another golden oldie.
Wow, it actually looks like
Looks like the
a
sour
donut,
cream one.
yeah.
Look at the color on that. That fried actually perfect. When you can play good drums on your donut, that means they're ready.
My only friend, help me.
All right, we got our donuts are done.
Okay, for the glaze, I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I poured it in the water. I don't know why I did this, but it seemed like a good idea at the time. You can also use milk instead. I have 150 grams of butter. I poured that into 500 grams of powdered sugar. And then now we're going to pour the liquid into the powdered sugar. And you want to put enough to get the right consistency. It's up to you, actually. If you like it thick, I like it thick. That's what she said. And for the strawberry glaze, we used freeze-dried strawberries that we processed in a food processor. You dump that in, and you put enough liquid to get the right consistency, like before. Ta-da! And for the glazing process, it's pretty easy. I just dumped all the little timbits or donut holes into the bowl and glazed it like so. As for the actual donut, I also did the same thing, but if you just wanted to do one side, feel free to just do the one side. And for the strawberry glazed one, I just did the one side because it's just easier. And we do a little swirly swirl, dip it into your sprinkle of your choice, and enjoy this super awkward voiceover that I hate doing. Let's kiss.
Wow. These
Cake
are the
donuts. Cake style donuts. No yeast. Just cake.
Just cake.
I'm going plain.
Me too.
Here we go. Taste test.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Not bad.
And it's really crunchy on the outside.
It's
like
very
super
weird.
crunchy.
Kind of pancake kind of
Right? Kind of like our old waffle video.
It's like a crunchy pancake. All right, now strawberry glaze. It looks cakier. All right, ready? Strawberry glaze. I like strawberry glaze and sprinkles. That's good. It works. I would say it works.
This is a pass.
I say you did it. Pancake mix donuts. Holy crap.
And buy the complete, so you just add water or sour cream.
Someone call Aunt Jemima. Let's patent that recipe.
Yeah.
Did we just eat pancake donuts? Yep.
Yep.